Wanna walk over here? Yeah, come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. All right. Good Logan, make it. You gotta get a little closer. Gotta get a little closer there, buddy. There you go. Nope. Hey. Let's walk to Mom. Want to see Mom?
Hi, Logan.
He says, no, toys much more interesting. Let's go get the toy. Yeah. Look at you go. Look at you go, big guy. Come on.
He looks like he's wearing a dress because it's buttoned. Hi, Logan. Logan.
Oh,
Look at Mama.
Oh, he's still pretty warm, so.
And slobbery.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Okay. Ooh. Yep. Oh, we got a big noggin. Oh, it's okay. Oh,
Hi,
look how hot he
Logan.
is. His little arms and legs.
Hey, I'm right here.
He was warm. Said car rides are warm in the summertime. Here, you want to see if you want to walk to it again? Oh. Ah. Come on. Come on. Oh.
Stop taking it out of my reach, Daddy.
Logan, Michael gets it. Oh. Hey. Calm down. Calm down. Let go.